If this week in the stock market does not teach you that the biggest days with the biggest returns happen a lot of times during bear markets, then I don't know what week will tell you that besides what we experienced in March of 2020 with the whole pandemic crash. Now, this time around, we have a lot of epic news. We have a Nintendo stock split, meaning Nintendo split. If you had one share, now you have 5 shares of Nintendo, which is pretty cool, I guess. I mean, stock splits, in my opinion, don't really matter unless you are an options trader, and then there's a lot more things that you can do having more shares, specifically 100 shares. You could do some gnarly shenanigans with that, so that should help out Nintendo people who you know, want to take advantage of options trading. Now, I think the most interesting and amazing news that happened this week is that Elon Musk once again announces that the Twitter deal is going through. Now, shares of Twitter flew to the moon, about 22% in a single day. They are trading, at the time of me posting this video, about $49 to $50. Now, he has a deal to buy Twitter at $54. So, why is Twitter not trading at $54? Great question. I have that question myself, but ultimately it's because the upside is approximately turning $50 into $54, which is actually quite amazing. That is 8% returns that you're guaranteed to receive. Now, you were guaranteed to receive them earlier in the year as well, but we saw that that deal didn't really go through. So will it actually go through this time? I don't know, but I do have a lot of Twitter shares. I've been holding them since before Elon Musk mentioned any sort of shenanigans. I kind of see Twitter as the platform of the Web3. This is the MySpace. Oh, I shouldn't say that. MySpace didn't do so well. This is the Facebook, the meta of the Web3 era. This is the first footsteps into cryptocurrencies, right? Twitter was way quicker than Meta to even allow you to show ownership of your NFTs on the platforms. You saw a lot of people showing off the NFTs, their favorite NFT collections, in their little avatar of themselves on the Twitter platform. You can tip creators in Ethereum, etc., etc., etc. So that's why I was so bullish on Twitter kind of taking over in the future. Again, they are just losing money. We probably got a lot of fake accounts, way more than we could ever imagine. And Elon Musk, we'll see what he does with it. Now, if you are holding shares, here's what's going to happen. If this deal goes through, you will probably end up with $54 in cash, because Elon Musk wants to take Twitter private, meaning he wants full control. And he wants his team to have full control, and he doesn't want influence from people like you and I. You know what I'm saying? We are simply shareholders. We're there to distract them. He doesn't want the bottom line to make profit for shareholders. He wants Twitter to be a great and powerful platform. He is what's known as extreme moderate. So he's like, hey, you want to say the N-word on my platform? Go ahead and say it. I don't care. Words are just words. That's the type of guy he is, for better or for worse. Obviously, I think certain things should definitely be censored, and you should just keep it in your head. There's no room for, of course, like violence and violent threats, etc., etc. But he does believe that we should be allowed to say whatever we want, kind of radical free speech activist type person. And I could see the merit in that, and I could also see the flaws in it. I find myself having trouble, like, you know, finding my own opinion here, but I do kind of side on the, you know what, I see where he's coming from. I probably, if you got nothing good to say, don't say it. Don't say it. Just listen to your mamas. And finally, we have cryptocurrency news. Bitcoin crosses $20,000 once again. People are very excited about that. Me, not so much. I am more of an Ethereum fan, I guess. And we see Ethereum trading at 1,300 to 1,400, and kind of flatlining after the ETH merge, which of course is a gradual process. I don't think a lot of people realize that. As Ethereum gets upgraded, it is going to take time, and hopefully it'll pay off in Ethereum's price, but we'll see. And I personally am investing 8% of my income into Ethereum every well, it doesn't matter if I do it monthly or weekly or daily, but I break it up daily just because the price is so volatile. This month, I did buy some stocks, mostly index funds. I'm a big fan of index funds, but I did venture out and I gambled a little bit on whatchamacallit, on Weight Watchers. I think there's a lot of opportunity here if Wall Street Bets or something starts to sniff in that direction. With that being said, guys, that's all for the major updates this week. We'll see what happens in the future. And with that, take care. Don't forget to subscribe.